Hello guys, in this video I'll show how you can launch your own Memecoin on pump.fun for free in under 3 minutes. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice in any way and you should not take what I say for granted. Always do your own research before making a financial decision. Okay, so first of all head over to pump.fun and create an account with your Phantom wallet. If you don't have Phantom wallet, you can get it for free from your extension store. Whether you are using a Firefox-based browser or a Chromium-based browser. Now just continue with the sign-up process on pump.fun. Now that you have an account, you can go back to the homepage of pump.fun. Here, click on Start a New Coin. Give your token a name, a ticker that it can be identified by, a description, an image, and socials which are not required but are recommended if you want your token to succeed in the long run. Now, to launch, just hit Create Coin. It'll ask if you want to invest some of your own money into the coin, which is not required at all. That's why this entire process is free. And there you have it, your own Memecoin. If you found this guide helpful in any way, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe as it helps me a lot. Safe and profitable trading.